We're at the MCACN 2023. It's a beautiful show, best in the world, and just enjoying company of many fine people and many awesome cars. We're standing at the edge of the Buick display. At the beginning, the muscle cars were really full-size cars, and so I'm at the end of the full-size era. 65 was last year for the 4-speed and the full-size car for Buick, and that's my focus and my love. I brought 4 65 Wildcats, various colors, various transmissions, various engines, and I just love them.
There's an exciting new experience awaiting you in Buick's all-time best.
Invicta, the high-performance Buick.
The Wildcat started off as an Invicta in '62, and as it moved along, it became a full perimeter frame in '65, and still had the Nailhead engine. I love Nailheads. I've built several of the engines in these cars.
Wildcat by Buick. This Wildcat has more horses than you'll ever need. Wow.
We're starting with the black one, which is my Frankenstein. I built the engine. It's a dual quad. It has the Buick experimental aluminum dual quad intake and 425 TA headers and full dual exhaust, 2.5-inch pipes. I envisioned the car in the year 2000, black with red interior. That custom interior was not available in the coupes, so I had that created. It has a Tremec 5-speed in it with a hydraulic clutch. So that's kind of my Frankenstein, my vision of the perfect Wildcat. The Burgundy car, I got the same week basically as that black car. It's a real 4-speed dual quad, 342 posi rear end, burgundy mist with blackened custom interior. The gold car from California, it's California emissions, dual quad, automatic, Sahara mist with an Arctic white top. The red car here is my 401 4-speed deluxe convertible, one of 17 made in 1965 with that combination. I bought it from a guy in California that had several Wildcats, is really into them, and I bought both of his cars after he passed away. Had this restored to honor him and his enthusiasm for Wildcats and dual quads. Even with the 342 rear end, the 4-speeds, you got to feather the clutch a lot because it's a big, heavy car. And I mean, even with the low end torque of the Nailhead, you got to feather that thing and then it'll go really nice. But I also buy every car with the intent of driving it. I want to have a Wildcat driver I can get in every day and just go to work. And I don't care if it has air conditioning or not, I just want to drive it.
Something wild for spring. Buick Wildcat.